Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English, with the assistance of Makul Artificial Intelligence. Let's start with our first news. Artificial Intelligence in Turkmenistan. Establishment of the Oguz Khan Scientific and Technological Center. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov signed a decree establishing the Oguz Khan Scientific and Technological Center at Oguzhan University of Engineering and Technology. The center aims to advance priority fields of science, production, and industry, and actively engage youth in the development of innovative technologies. The main objective of this center is to develop and market products in the areas of innovative nano, bio, and information technologies, cybersecurity, digital technologies, artificial intelligence, information and communications, computer and mobile applications, and electronic equipment. Participation of the national leader of the Turkmen people in the 3rd Antalya Diplomatic Forum. The national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, embarked on a working visit to the Republic of Turkey to attend the 3rd Antalya Diplomatic Forum. During the forum, the national leader of the Turkmen met with the President of the Republic of Turkey, Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Expressing sincere gratitude to the national leader of the Turkmen people and the President of Turkmenistan for their congratulations, good wishes, and honor, the President of Turkey emphasized that he considers the conferral of the honorary title Hormatli Il Yashulusi by Turkmenistan as a visible symbol of the inviolability of friendship and brotherhood between our countries and peoples. After the meeting, a signing ceremony for bilateral documents took place. Additionally, the national leader of the Turkmen people and chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, held meetings on the sidelines of the 3rd Antalya Diplomatic Forum with Ahmet Çelik, chairman of the board of directors of the Çelik Holding Group of Companies, and Erman Ilicak, head of the Renaissance Holding Turkish Company. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.